Hi, my name is Dan and this is my JLU Rubicon. Today we're going to talk about a communications upgrade for the Jeep. In our previous trail ride we had a GMRS radio, and the group we were riding with all had a CB radio, which I don't have. So in this video we're going to go through the unboxing and setup of the CB radio and antenna that we purchased. If this is something you're interested in, please stick around for the video. If you subscribe to the channel, we appreciate you coming back. We appreciate all of your views, your likes, your feedback. If you haven't subscribed yet, please take time and hit that subscribe button and leave us a comment when you're done watching. So let's get to it. All right. That's a different box. So that just goes to show you I didn't open it before we did this. So we got a 4-foot Firestik 2 antenna. A spring mount. A stud mount for the fire ring cable. A Cobra 18WXST2, and this has got the weather band associated with it, and I wanted the Cobra with the weather band because that picks up pretty much everywhere we go. And the last piece is our cable, and the reason why I went with all Firestik parts is so that the system all matched together. And we went with this particular design because it creates a nice seal, and this is a non-grounded cable, so we don't have to ground it independently. So I think it's a pretty good setup. Also, this comes apart so that it fits through the firewall or whatever routing mechanism you want it to go through. All right, so inside of this box, you get the head unit. It's got connective wires, microphone, and mounting kit. All right, when I came to mounting the CB, I didn't quite know what to do, so I made this little bracket out of plywood. So it's just some 3/4 inch scraps that I had with this CB bracket, and it basically slides right over top of that, and I got it so it's going to move down and sit right there. I'll put a couple screws in it, and then the CB head will slide right there, and that way it's easy to reach. It's out of the way. Still gives me access to all this stuff, so I think it's going to work out pretty good. All right, so we got our little bracket in, and I think that that is going to be about where I want it to sit. So we're just going to take the screws and put them in. So I pre-ran the wires already from the fuse box. So we used some, we connected the 2 power leads, so the on-off, and then the constant lead, I'm not going to keep it continuously hooked up. That's just for the memory. And then we have our ground that way. So all we got to do is put the fuse in the panel, and it should be good to go. All right, we'll turn it on. All right, we got weather, so everything works. Pretty happy with it. All right, we got the antenna installed. Pretty simple. We just ran the cable through the tailgate. We had to take the tailgate cable off. We had to take this back plastic piece off. Brought it through and then wrapped it along this so that when you open and close the tailgate, and it just kind of runs through and runs back to the back. We still got to tidy it up, but then it just kind of runs a natural chase. But we're really happy with the antenna mount. And then I got a spring on it, and then it sits just real nice on the vehicle. And so it is sitting a 4-foot antenna, so it sits tall. But I figured that on the trails, all we'll do is we'll just tie it over like that, and that way it won't get caught on stuff. But the spring's there just in case. All right, guys, that wraps this up. Install of the new Cobra CB and the Firestik antenna. Really happy with how everything kind of came together. Happy with the mount, happy with all the pieces that we chose. The bracket we came up with, I was pretty excited that worked the way that I thought it would. It tucks nicely in behind the seat, and I'll be excited to use it next trip we go on. So hope you got something out of it. Real simple install. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you think. This is Fisher Deep Adventures, and we'll talk to you next time.